We get asked the questions all the time. We love this layout, we love this plan. Where did you get it from? We got the plan from architecturaldesigns.com. I'm Michael Lund, the owner of Lund Property Group, and we do residential and commercial construction in the Hudson Valley, New York. I started the company on my own. Our business is mainly smaller residential single-family developments, so say 20 lots or less. We buy the land and then we build these neighborhoods. I've had other builders in our area say we include too much with our house. And I'm like, I build the house like I'm gonna live there. And that's where architectural designs will come in. I found architectural designs from going through the struggle of trying to navigate first step for a neighborhood that we were going to build. Where can I get that starting point? Do I have to call and find a few different architects and then go have meetings with them and decide if it's the right fit and then see what their work calendar looks like? And I just started looking online at different architectural plans and ideas, and this site came up and I was like, this is exactly what I need. They've aggregated some of the best architects and put them in a one-stop shop where someone like myself, a builder developer, can say, this is exactly what I've been envisioning here. And I don't have to make 75 different calls or hunt some people down and get a meeting with this architect and that. They've done it all and they've presented it in a really user-friendly experience at a great affordable rate. We have a project called Tamarack Hill Estates. It was a 10-lot single-family home subdivision. I needed a starting point for the house plans. Using architectural designs, to me, was a no-brainer. We did everything from the ground up, all the infrastructure and the construction of the homes. All the homes in that subdivision are plans from architectural designs. It was a tremendously successful neighborhood. Having architectural designs be there as like the foundation for us to say, hey, we're gonna pick 3 plans and we're gonna try to pick ones that we think have a lot of synergies, but also a little bit unique. And we're gonna put our spin on them in certain ways, and we're not gonna put our spin on them in certain ways, because if it's not broke, we don't have to fix it. Having a set of plans that you can purchase, and a lot of that thought process is already completed and done, from structure to exterior facade to even building materials. That's a huge value. So we found by choosing architectural designs and those plans, it's giving us everything we need, 90% of what we want, and that other 10% layer we can bring in with our internal sources or local architects if we choose to make these tweaks, and we just save 6 months of timing. Architectural Designs has been a perfect partner in helping us navigate and guide that framework for what we want to build. If you have any questions, they're a great conduit to say, based on the plan that you're calling about, this is what we've done in the past, or this is what we can have the designer do. Having that transparent relationship, and that's what everyone wants in construction. I think it's the best house plan marketplace out there today. The plans are great. I think they have a great variety of plans. It's stable, they're there, they've been around a long time, they have the relationships. Our products are stable, they've been around a long time. We can drive through and see our neighborhoods in 10, 20, 30 years from now and know wow, we created that with the help from some great partners.